Hi guys, I am Atal from Capital Technology. Today I will teach you how we can create amazing intro video. If you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. First of all, open your Inshot, click on video, click on new and select the blank and also we can say black color. Now make this as for video from here. I want to create 17 seconds video. Now click on. You can select the size for video as you can see. Now click on pip and select your video for which one you selected for intro video. Like I selected this video. This is my video. I want to cut the extra space from this video. This is my intro video. Now select the full size. You can see this video. I want to adjust the color from here. You can select a different color from here because this is your choice. Every kind of color you want, you can select from here. Now I will make the color. I want my video in this color. Like as you can see in Inshot application, you can create videos very simply and quickly because this is a simple application. Without intro video, you can create every kind of video in Inshot. Now click once again on pip and select your logo. I selected my logo. I will bring it to the middle of screen. Now, yeah, you can see. This is my channel logo. Now you can see in the first time it have not any template. Let's select the template. Now click on animation. Just by one click you can do lots of things. It means it is very difficult and can master application. And Inshot you can select just by one click. Just click on template and select the template. After that, once again I want to adjust the color. Click on filter and click on adjust. It is not important every kind of color you want. You can choose from your choice. As you can see, I want this color, for example. You also can select from your choice. Now this is my intro video for my YouTube channel. Now once again click on pip and select the YouTube channel name. You can write your YouTube channel in Inshot, but I already made that in Pixel. I will adjust the color. This is my YouTube channel name, Capital Technology. Now click on animation and select the template. You also have own choice. You can select from your own choice template. Like as you can see, I selected this template. I will cut the extra space from video. I should adjust these video together. I want to cut the extra space from here. Click on cut and also delete. I cut the extra space. You can download this all video for intro. Search on YouTube intro video. You can get lots of video, lots of design video for intro. This was just a symbol of this video, which one I selected for intro. For more intro videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. You will get another video. I will cut the extra space. Then this is my intro video for my YouTube channel. For another technical videos, subscribe my YouTube channel so you will get another videos from my YouTube channel. Now click on save and save this video. This was all of teaching about creating into video. Thank you for watching video. Have a good time. Good luck.